Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace a control knob bezel on your electric range, be sure to shut off the power supply to the outlet or junction box. Pull the appropriate control knob off of the switch stem. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the two mounting screws securing the bezel and element switch. Remove the old bezel. When installing the new control knob bezel, realign the element switch if necessary, and hold the stem as you align the bezel and replace the two mounting screws. Replace the control knob on the switch stem. Restore power to the outlet or junction box, and the electric range should be ready for use.